Happy October, everyone. I'm Ron Trotto, TC Computer Consulting. And guess what? I'm back. It's Cybersecurity Awareness Month. So, what does that mean? We're going to do 31 videos on cybersecurity fitness. Oh boy, oh boy. So, where do we begin? We begin in the beginning with passwords. What about them specifically? Well, it's really simple. Do not reuse the same password twice. So if you've gone and you've reused the same password twice, then your assignment for the day is to go and change every single password by tomorrow that you could have thought of. Okay, so this assignment's probably going to span a couple of weeks for most of you. It might span a month for some of you. Now, I have to be very specific about something, though, in terms of passwords. Now, don't try to be coy and go and do little variations of the same base password, the same base thing. And this is why. The first time your email or your password rather gets compromised, if the pattern's obvious, they're going to get it. Well, when I say they, I really mean machines, because that's who's cracking your password now and is going to take a look at that and try it at all the different places that I could possibly try. So let's start with that. Don't try to do that. It's been years since anyone's beat a computer at chess. So this is a game you're not going to win. Number two, you know those crazy garberish passwords that we've been working on for years and years saying, oh, they're super secure? Turns out they're not. It's actually more secure to have a memorable phrase than it is to have all that gibberish jabberish that's there. Now, when I say meaningful phrase, there's a little bit of a qualification on that. You can't use any phrases that are well known or in popular culture. Why not? Because they're already in the lookup dictionaries that the bad guys' computers use to go and try to compromise passwords. But I'm pretty sure if you try, you can come up with a 3 to 4 or maybe even 5-word phrase, depending on what the requirement of the password is, that you can stick some numbers on the beginning and some exclamations and stuff at the end and some nice capitalization. But at least it's going to be easy to remember the password at the end of the day. And even if you're going to use a password manager, spoiler alert, password managers are coming up soon. Even if you're going to use one of those, in the case where you can't copy it right into the website, it's really easy to type a phrase as opposed to those crazy character combinations. So there's a hint for you. And today's assignment is to go and change those passwords. Let's see how long it takes. All right, I'm Ron Trotto again, TC Computer Consulting. We hope to see you tomorrow. Let's work on that fitness. Good night.